Hi guys, I am Viva and today I'm gonna share with you how I make delicious garlic lemon chicken drumsticks. Stick around and let's have some fun. I have 6 chicken drumsticks, about medium size. I have removed the skin, washed them very well and dried them. This is my mix of all my spices. Everything will be in the description box below. This is the juice of 1 freshly squeezed lemon, half cup of vegetable oil. I'm using canola in this case, and the other thing we're gonna need is 1 stick of butter. And we'll start with the marinade. All my mixed spice in the mixing bowl, the lemon juice and the vegetable oil, and I'll mix everything very well. And we're getting this delicious, flavorful marinade, where I'm gonna place the chicken drumsticks, placing all of them, and I'm gonna use my clean hands to mix everything very well. It's a little messy, but I like doing it that way. Make sure everything is perfectly covered. As soon as I'm done, I'll cover with foil and place in the refrigerator for about 2 hours or overnight. You can prepare this, put it in the refrigerator for the night, and they'll be ready for you to cook. If you don't have the time, don't worry. Make the marinade, mix them, and bake them. Look at this. I left it in the refrigerator overnight. It is the best way. Not that I haven't done it, marinated and baked it right away. It's still great, but if you can, keep it overnight. And while my oven is preheating to 450 degrees, I got my baking sheet ready. I placed an aluminum foil just to avoid cleaning all the mess. Stick of butter melted, and I'm pouring it all here. And all we have to do is just place the chicken and put it in the oven. I bake it for about 40 to 45 minutes. It depends on your oven. You can check it. But after 20 minutes, I'll see you back because we're gonna flip over these chicken drumsticks. I wish you can smell it. It's so delicious. You can smell all the herbs, you can smell the garlic, all the spices. It's amazing. And I'll grab a spoon and actually get the rest of my marinade and apply it on the top. And I'm taking them to the oven, and I'll see you in a little bit. It's been 20 minutes. I just took them out of the oven, and now I'm gonna flip them over. And now I'm gonna use a spoon to just use some of the juice and pour it on the top. And back in the oven until they're completely ready. Okay guys, all ready. Delicious chicken drumsticks. Now I can arrange them on a plate. Absolutely delicious, baked to perfection, and they're so yummy. And here on the top, I'm gonna drizzle some lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon. Decorate with some Italian parsley. I think some greens will look perfect on the plate. Fresh parsley, it's always great. And I've got some lemon pieces. Like that and like that. And there it is. And I just want to show you how well this is baked. Look at this. It's so soft. Oh my god. Falling apart, guys. Amazing smell. I'm just gonna give it a try. Make that. You're gonna love it. I promise. Let me know in the comments down below how your chicken drumsticks turn out, and I'll see you next time. Bye.